Hi, my Westinghouse fridge beeps every minute or so. Very annoying. The door is not open and the temperature of both fridge and freezer are normal. What's wrong? Thanks.
Hi there and welcome to JA. There is a problem with the defrost circuit in the appliance. This is why the alarm keeps beeping to warn you that in time the fridge is going to stop performing as intended. It also beeps so that you can get the appliance looked at and repaired before you lose all of your food and risk further damage to the unit. This can be related to a faulty defrost element, a faulty defrost terminator, temp sensor, chiller fan, even the controller itself. It will be a matter of removing the fan panel in the freezer compartment and tracking and tracing the wiring of all of the above mentioned with a multimeter to isolate the exact cause of the problem, and then it can be rectified with parts replacement. Being a Westinghouse fridge, it is probably best you get a Westinghouse tech out to look at it, as they will already carry a majority of the spares to suit etc. Here, Westinghouse 1300 363 640.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.